Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you all were doing good these days. In this vlog, sharing a quick and easy dessert recipe that is pudding made up of dry fruits. For that, took 2 cups of milk and kept it for boiling. After boiling the milk well, added half a cup of white sugar. To make it more healthier, you can use jaggery instead of white sugar. This is a grinded mixture of all dry fruits, that is almonds, pistachios, cashew and walnuts. Adding to it. Stir well until the powder gets dissolved completely. If you wish, you can add some cardamom powder to enhance the flavor. Then add this custard mix, which is 2 tablespoons of custard powder dissolved in water. Mix them well, and if you see the bubbles, turn off the flame. That's it. A healthy and tasty dry fruit pudding is ready to eat. You can serve it chilled too, and if you wish, you can garnish it with chopped dry fruits again. So after this quick recipe, sharing a glimpse of some artwork done by my kid. She's going to make a 3D cube. For that, markings are being done in this manner. 2 inches or 5 centimeters of line, making a square box in the shape of letter T. Then make a cutout of that letter T. Now using a scale, keeping over the line, fold the paper and give an impression over each line. Now after completing the impressions, you can fold, and that's it. It is a shape of a cube. Now join the edges with the help of a glue or plaster them together. Learning about shapes starts at an early age. It helps toddlers understand the visual information they are getting from their surroundings. It helps in identifying numbers and alphabets too. Not only this, it also helps in developing facial recognition skills, even geographical locations. Like in their drawing, you can see they use triangle to draw a hill and square rectangles for drawing houses, their doors and windows. A 3D shape have faces, edges and vertices. Learning about these 3D shapes helps them understand spatial relationships, that is, how wide the room is, etc. like that, which in turn is very important to develop a problem solving skills.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Here she is doing another task of drawing a flower. Actually, this is a max work. It's a fun way of making children learn factors of a number. Let our kids do the mistakes and learn from them. Giving them this opportunity to struggle is very important to develop social and emotional skills, which I think is the most important parent tip in today's world. We have to make our kids learn that getting up after every fall is more important than reaching the final destination at once. So this was today's short vlog sharing a recipe and a small parenting tip. Hope you all enjoyed watching it. If you do like it, don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon in another vlog. Till then, stay safe, take care, and thanks for watching.